Hello guys, welcome to the So, in case you're new here, my name is Teoluckzboom. And I'm going to try and challenge for you guys on this channel, guys. I'm not trying to challenge for you guys. Now, this song you are seeing is a DJ mix, and it's currently trending on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Snap, whatever social media you have, guys. So it's, I think, in the midst of Mali and Cardi. Can you imagine the combination? Mali and Cardi. So the dun 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 dun. Say hello, bitch. If you're fucking me, if you want to, please escape now. He's a night. So I know the lyrics of Cardi rap, but basically, I played it earlier on, so you guys know the song. I mean, now, how the job. So it's trending right now. It's one of the easiest dance you see for this song. Yeah, because it's quite involving leg work, so I'm sure you're gonna like it. So let's direct get the most channel. Can you subscribe down below, like the video, and comment in the comment section. What you want me to dance, guys? Just comment in the comment section. Let me see how I can do it for you guys. Now, let's direct to the video. The first step to do in this dance tutorial is cello. You drag it up. On your left hand. So this is my right and my left. So you drag it up. You drag it up. You drag it up. So it's cello. Leg walk 4 times. Bitch, if you fucking me. 1, 2, 3, 4, shoot. 1, 2, 3, 4, shoot. So it's cello. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, shoot. You have to get in, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoot. Let's go. Say, bitch, if you fucking me, if you want to. I see. First. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Shoot. Yeah, that is one of the easiest dances you see there, guys. So once I've gotten that place, once I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, you shoot, you go to the side, hop, basically. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8, cello, bitch, if you fucking me, if you want to, you just open, close. Basically, guys, so it's 5, 6, 7, 8. Cello, bitch, if you fucking me, if you want to, please escape. So it happened twice. Now facing this side, facing this side. Whilst you happen your legs. So it's from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bitch, if you fucking me, 1, 2, shoot. 1, 2, 1, 2. Hope you're getting in, guys. Yeah, you need to be getting in, guys. Let's go from the start one more time. From the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Say hello, bitch. If you fucking me, if you want to, you escape now. I guess so. Once you have opened the leg twice, facing here and facing here, next we do is 1, 2. So you 1, 2, you come down. I think what I'm doing, guys, is 1, 2, come down. When that top is extended, so I can get this 5, 6, 7, 8. Bitch, if you fucking me, if you want to, please escape. 1, 2, drop. I think I said 1, 2, drop. And once you have done this, 1, 2, and you drop. Let's do the side leg walk. Likewise, should I say the crisscross leg walk? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. You're taking your right leg to your side, your left leg coming back. Please. 1, 2, 3, 4. If this is down, basically. Normally, your leg walk is the normal leg walk like this. But this one, I'm not doing crisscross instead. while your hands are flowing. So it's twist, 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 twist. So let's go on the start. 5, 6, 7, say hello, bitch. If you fuck with me, if you want to, please escape, please escape. 1, 2, drop, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just 4. We need just 4 this dance. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, shoot. 1, shoot. So again, what's your question here? Kindly subscribe down below for me, guys. Subscribe down below. Like the video, comment. If you are finding any place difficult, let me know in the comment section, guys. I'll do that for you guys. And whatever dance you want to dance, just let me know in the comment section. I'll do it for you guys. Now, back to our video. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So once I've done this, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you cannot do the leg up like this. Okay, you cannot do this leg up. You have to do just this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't worry yourself. There are always the 2 styles of the dance. You cannot kill yourself on that one. Let's do this easy one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically 5, 6, 7, 8. Say hello, bitch. If you fuck with me, if you want to, please escape, please escape. Now, 1, 2, drop, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. You dance, shoot. You dance, you shoot, you go, you shoot, you come forward. This dance, man. This one's the motion and stuff, please. Just go like this. And you go like this. So, once I've done that step, you do the Michael Jackson dance, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So that's the top of this point I can get it. From the start, 5, 6, 7, let's go. Say hello, bitch. If you fuck with me, if you want to, please escape, please escape. One, two. Wait for get to that point. After you have done this, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. You do 2 times, twice. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So you're doing it twice. After twice, that's when you shoot to your side. So it's 1, 2. Your left leg is moving to this side, right leg is mashing this side. So it's basically 1, 2. Ivy. So it's 1, 2. So it's 5. Let's go from start. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Bitch, if you fucking me, if you want to, please escape, please escape, please escape. Let's go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Then side. 1, 2. So that's it, guys. Once you have done that part, just mash, mash, mash. That's over. Yeah, you've literally gotten the dance. Let's do that one more time. One more time for you guys. Final dance. I think this dance is more drink than the rest of them. Yeah, it's more drink. So let's do one more time. 5. Last time. 5, 6, 7. Let's go, bitch. If you fuck with me, if you want to, please escape. Please escape now. Go. So guys, that's the trap for this trending DJ mix by Mali and Cardi. yeah, Mafo beat and Cardi B song is trending right now. So in case you like this kind of dance tutorial, subscribe. Or in case you can find value in this video, subscribe for me, like this video, and comment what you think of everything. What dance step you missed, what wants me to expatiate on, and just comment, guys. I don't want to watch 2 videos over here. If you just subscribe to my channel, can you put that Teoluckzboom video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.